welcome back to another new video, guys. Today I'm explain how to create YouTube banner. So guys, I'm just click my old favorite banner and just customize this template. So guys, this every week podcast with Akash Islam. Okay, I'm just change my logo and it's click and delete only image. Okay, and every week just upload a video, upload new video. So just text is here. Okay, the font is low. Okay, font is 45. Okay, and the name of channel, Islam 420. So guys, now I'm just edit and template. Okay, and upload my channel logo and see. So guys, click upload section and upload your file and open window popcorn and just click my channel icon and the drag here and my banner is ready. So now just click and just swipe image sections. So my banner is ready. So guys, keep watching my video. So guys, now I'm upload the banner. Click upload and don't download. So guys, previous video just download G file. So now download image. Okay, YouTube banner, just open and select, and my photo is go big. Okay, so I'm just select again and upload this. So guys, upload done and I'm click publish and open my channel, new tab, and keep watching my video. I hope subscribe channel and like this video. So guys, bye bye.